Good morning, children. Today I would like to introduce our new maths book, Precise Mathematics, Selena Publication. And now we are going to see the number revision, the chapter, name of the chapter revision. That means that which matter you have studied in class 2. That same thing we are going to discuss here. Okay, that sometimes we are discussing about 2-digit numbers and also 3-digit numbers. Here in first exercise, here the revision begins with the exercise. So in first exercise, write the following numbers in words. So you are getting here number, you have to write the name of the number, that is spelling you have to write. Here one is done for you already, 87 in the book itself, 87 it is written. Next one is also a 2-digit number, that is 45. Then question number 3, you are getting a 3-digit number, that means it has 3 places. It has only 2 places, that is ones place and also tens place. Here ones place and tens place. Here the value of the number is increasing by 100, that is ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So here you are to write 327. Then next 408. So this you can do yourself because you have already studied in class 2. So we are discussing the same way. You have to write the spelling of these digits, that means these numbers, that some numbers are 3-digit and some are 2 digits. The just opposite, the question number B, it is coming as just opposite of the first question. That here we have written the name, that means spelling of the number. Here you are getting spelling, that name of the number, and you have to make it digits, numbers. Write the digit and make a number. Now 95. You have got here 95. Now second one 224. 224. Then 704. Then rest all this question is also very easy. You read, go through the spelling and write the number. There are 10 questions in each exercise. Exercise A also there are a 1 to 10 questions, and here in question B also there are 1 to 10 questions. Now let's discuss question number C. Write the numbers that comes just before and just after the following numbers. Here you are getting few numbers. Then the question itself is saying just before. You have to write before number and after number. Here 516. 16 before what comes? That is 515. Then 16 after what comes? 517. 517. Here the digit. You have seen here we are changing only ones place. When you write before number and after number, you have to change only ones place. This already I have explained in previous classes when we were learning the old book. Here the 700. In ones place it is 0, then comes as it is 7. Before it goes to 700, it comes 700. So we are going before the hundreds place 6 and 699 we are getting. 99 after only we are getting in hundreds place 699. And here in after number increasing only ones place 1 digit. Here we are going through all the question 1 to 5 I have done for you. Then 6 to 10 you have to do. Then question number D. Write the numbers given below in expanded form. This also I taught in previous class. that we were following old book. Expanded form that we studied of 4-digit number. Now here it comes of 3-digit numbers, and also somewhere it is 2-digit numbers are also there. So here in hundreds, here we are following, instead of 0 we are following name spelling. Here 400, hundreds already given, 10 also given, 1 also given. See here 4 hundreds. In this number you are getting 1, 10 and 100. So there are 4 hundreds. So here it is 4 hundreds, 110 and 7 ones. In question number 2, 2 hundreds, 4 tens and 3 ones. In question number 3, there are only 2 digits, but they have given in the place hundreds also. So in hundreds place there is no number, so we will put 1 0. 0 hundreds, 2 tens and 8 ones. Here question number 4, 5 hundreds, 8 tens and 3 ones. Question number 5 to 10 you have to do as homework. Now same thing, there we have written the spelling. Here we are writing the number with whole number, that with 0. In 400 you have got 470 and 2. 400 plus 70 plus and 2 is equal to 472. 610 plus 7. 600 plus 10 plus 7. 617. Here in hundreds place no number, so we put 0, and tens place no number, we put 0, and ones place there are 8 ones. So you have to write the numbers, the following numbers. Here question number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 you have to do by your own. Now here A, B, C, D, E, 5 questions are there. Since it is revision, so I am going to give you 2 more homeworks, that is F and G also, that you have already studied in class 2. So and also in previous old book also same matter we were studying, but it was ascending, or this book was following 4-digit numbers and 5-digit number we have studied. So here you are getting 2-digit number and 3-digit number that you have studied in class 2. So here let's see 2 more exercise. It will be easy for you, and let's complete this revision work quickly. So question number 1, you are getting whole number 900 plus 30 plus 7. Now you have to make the short form. So to make it easy, you can bring this the way ones, tens and hundreds place you can make. Then you can bring in hundreds place there is 9, tens place there is 3, then ones place there is 7. Now here you have to, according to the place value of the number, you have to write 900, 9, tens place 3 and ones place 7. Here again 800, 800, 7 in tens place, 2 in ones place. So 872. Here 243. So question 1 is here already done for you in the book itself. So 2 questions I had done. Now the rest all 3 to 4 to 10 you have to do. Now put the correct sign. This also I taught you. Greater than, less than or equal to. When you get this sort of number, you have to start taking the value of the number from leftmost number. Leftmost number. When there are more digit in different digit, number of digit, the biggest digit carrying the number will be the greatest number. Always the symbol the opening place we will write the biggest number. Here 78 less than 95. Here also the left number. When digit goes to left side moves, the value of the number will be increasing. So that rule we follow. The greatest value of the number gets from leftmost number. Here 7 and 9. So the 9 is the greatest number value. So 95 is the greatest number than 78. Here you see in question number 2 you are getting both number equal. Here leftmost number we will see 3 and 3, 1 and 1, 2 and 2. That means 312, 312. Both the side numbers are equal. So we will write equal to. Then here number with different number of digit. That means here you are getting 2 digits and here you are getting 3 digits. Now there is no doubt the number which has got more number of digit will be the greatest number. I hope you understood this. So today you are getting few more homework, but it is easy and we have already learned all this. This is revision work. So let's stop now. A to G, question number 1 to 10 you have to complete by next class. Bye. Good luck.